How to reset Wells Fargo password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can reset your Wells Fargo password, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to reset your Wells Fargo password, all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and make sure to launch your mobile application or maybe your online banking by going to wellsfargo.com. Then just tap this sign on button that you can find from the top right, and then just tap and continue to sign on if you're on the website over here. Once you're here, what you want to do is, if you had actually remembered your username and your password, you would be able to enter them. Tap the sign on option in order to sign in without any sort of hassles. But let's say that you've just happened to forget the password. In that case, just tap the forgot password option here. Once you tap on the forgot password option, in this case you will be able to go ahead and then basically enter your social security number or tax identification number, or just try to enter your username. Right, once you've entered either of these, it will ask you for some other verification such as your bank account details and so on. Once you've done that, it will take you to the page after verification where you can choose a new password without having to remember your old password. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically reset your Wells Fargo password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.